The kitchen is the heart of every home. Choosing the right combination of kitchen countertops and backsplash involves considering various factors, such as aesthetics, functionality, durability, and personal preference. This video is going to explore the popular styles of kitchen countertops and backsplash designs, and also kitchen styling ideas for your kitchen remodeling project. Kitchen countertops are a crucial element of any kitchen, not only for their practicality, but also for their aesthetic appeal. Let's explore a few popular countertop styles and compatible backsplash designs. Neutral countertops with character. Homeowners are seeking a bit more character in their countertops. Today, countertops come in a wide variety of patterns, artistic designs, and color choice to bring sleek and modern appeal. Materials like quartz are being designed to resemble slabs of natural stone. This involves creating veins and interesting patterns swirled into the countertop slabs. Countertops with large patterns can go well with most neutral backsplash colors comes in various designs and shapes. Check these modern kitchen ideas for visually appealing combinations. Regarding wall coverage, backsplashes are rising to the ceiling. Adding upper cabinets to kitchen space, homeowners are left with more wall space. Check out these countertop up-to-ceiling backsplash ideas. Make sure backsplash and countertop colors complement each other. Kitchen island can enhance its functionality and overall aesthetic appeal of kitchen space. Open kitchen plan can accommodate the larger island area, and it opens up for enhanced kitchen styling. One of the popular option is choosing Waterfall design countertops for kitchen island area. This design choice offers a seamless and cohesive look, with the countertop material wrapping around the edges of the island. Waterfall countertops are versatile and can be tailored to suit different design styles, from modern and contemporary to transitional or even rustic. The choice of material, edge profile, and finish can all influence the overall look of the waterfall countertop, allowing for customization to fit the aesthetic of the kitchen. Check out these modern waterfall countertop ideas for kitchen island space. Make your kitchen island the focal point of the room by incorporating standout features, such as a unique countertop material, a decorative range hood, or a statement-making backsplash. Elegant and modern black countertops. Shiny black countertops are a variation that continues to be extremely popular. Black kitchen countertops can create a sleek and contemporary look in a modern kitchen. Wood kitchen islands with elevated black countertops is a work of beauty that instantly elevates any space. Black is a popular choice, especially for wood-colored cabinets or white cabinets. It also leaves a cool effect with black cabinets. It offers versatile arrangements that fit traditional and contemporary design options. Black quartz has many different patterns and colors to choose from. Although granite and marble have a similar styles, there's just something so elegant and functional about a black countertops. Large wood-colored kitchen islands with black countertops is a popular combination for contemporary kitchen space. Check out these elegant black kitchen countertop ideas. bold, and dramatic countertops. If subtle isn't your choice, there's no need to stick with neutral styles and large patterns. Opting out for bold colored and textured countertops are a great solution. The addition of two-tone kitchen cabinets gives the kitchen depth and a dramatic touch, while bold countertops and elevated backsplash serve to balance the area. The combination of countertop selection and backsplash design subtly complements the elegant visual appeal. Solid surface countertops. These are still a popular choice for kitchens, due to their versatility, durability, and seamless appearance. Once you've chosen your countertops, you can select a backsplash that complements them. For a seamless look, extend the solid surface material up the wall to create a backsplash. This creates a cohesive and integrated design, with no interruption between the countertop and backsplash. Solid surface countertops are quite stylish and go well with gray, black, or white backsplashes. If you want to add a touch of natural beauty to your kitchen, consider using natural stone tiles for the backsplash. Choose a backsplash color that contrasts with the solid surface countertops to create visual interest and depth in the kitchen. I hope this video is enjoyable and useful. Please do not forget to drop a like to this video. Thank you for watching House Talks. Subscribe to the channel if you are interested for more interior videos so you do not miss upcoming videos.